This is Brian with Bay Computing Group. Today I'm going to show you how to set your Outlook signature. There are a couple of ways to get to this, but we're going to use the way that always works every time, regardless of your settings. You simply go up to the File menu, go down here to Options. In this window that pops up, you go over here to Mail, and there's a button here that says Signatures. From here, if you don't have a signature already, you can click New, and it'll just ask for a name for the signature. This can be anything you want. Once that's done, you can click in this large box here, and you can enter whatever text you want. You can also include images, links. You can do a bit of formatting just like you would in an email itself. I'll show you an example here. And we'll select that and make the name of the company bold. For example, you can use these to insert other things, but once you've got this the way that you want it, you don't want to just leave. You want to go down here to choose default signature. And you probably want to set this as your default. That way, when you open a new email, it will automatically come up with these. Or when you reply, it will automatically come up with the signature. You can even set up multiple signatures here. Let's say that you manage a shared mailbox. You could make another signature and say shared mailbox signature. And then you could have it slightly different. Like you could, for example, say accounts payable instead of your name. And then when you go to choose your signature to insert, you can choose which one you want. You can only set one of these as your default, but it does give you the option. And that is how you do it. Once you're all done here, you click OK, and then OK again. And I'll just demonstrate opening a new email so you can see it has my little signature right there. And that is everything. We'll be happy to help you out with this as well. If you are a client of ours, feel free to call us with anything you need. Thank you.